Hello everyone, and then welcome back to this channel. So this is the hallway to my apartment, and like some of you requested, this is the apartment tour video that you've been asking. So yeah, this is my room. So come, let me show you around. All right guys, so like I said, let me show you around. Let's get into the room. Yeah, so let's first start with the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It's a simple bathroom. And then there's the mirror. So yeah, simple bathroom. So yeah, that is the bathroom. Very simple one. Let's go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. There are two inductor stoves here. There is a microwave over here, a rice cooker, and this kitchen cabinet. Yep. So this is the kitchen, and this is the sink of the kitchen. So yeah, this is it. So the bathroom, then the kitchen. All right, so the next place we go, this is my study area. Oops, let me just close this. This is my study area. So this is where I do my online classes. This is the table, my chair, and then my laptop. And then my able video assistant, my tripod, and there are some balls over there. And I have packed some bags over there. And then my yoga mat, or I do exercise on it sometimes. So so let's go to the bathroom. Oh, whoa. We just went to the bathroom. So this is the bedroom. So yeah, this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. So and this is the window of the bedroom, or in the bedroom. So yeah, you can see the swimming pool. It is raining outside, so we can't go to the swimming pool area, but I think from this view you can see pretty much everything that you need to see about the swimming pool. So that's the swimming pool out there, and we have some tennis courts and then basketball courts over there. So like you can see, it's raining. When we get to the balcony, you'll probably see it better. So you can see some people under umbrellas walking down there. So yeah, this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. So yeah, this is the wardrobe where I do keep my stuff, or we do keep our stuff. So that's the bedroom. This is the sitting room. You can see some nice paintings over there. And that's the 49-inch TV. Prison Break is playing right now. So yeah, this is the sitting room. The study area. And yeah, let's go to the balcony. So yeah, you can see outside it's raining, and that's the swimming pool. Like I said, because it's raining, we will not go to the swimming pool area. But luckily, I took some shots of some other places in this apartment. That is the Japanese garden and the artificial beach area. So after this place, I'll just show you those videos I took. But this is the washing machine, and there are some dry lines over here. So you can see I've dried some clothes here. So yeah, so this place is so pretty much this is the one-bedroom apartment. It's quite chill, it's cool, quite affordable. So yeah, now let's go to the Japanese garden. See you later. All right guys, so this is the Japanese garden area, and you can see this place is very, very beautiful. It's quite huge. There are so many summer huts, and not so many, but there are some few summer huts here. You can sit here and then relax with your friends and their loved ones. This place is quite a chill garden. You can have a walk here. You can just come and look at the koi fishes. As you can see, these beautiful koi fishes. So yeah, this is part of the apartment. Isn't it nice? It's very beautiful. It's breathtaking. Oh my, this place is nice. Let me just keep quiet so that you just watch and then judge for yourself. All right, so this is the artificial beach area. As you can see, this place is very, very beautiful. You can see the barbecue stands. If you have friends or loved ones to come and do maybe some parties or just chilling out, you can come and use some of the barbecue stands for your barbecues. And then you can see the water stands over there, and there are some seats here. You sit here and then chill, relax. So yeah, this place is very beautiful. Let me just leave you to just enjoy the scenery. Yeah, welcome back. I'm very sure you enjoyed watching the videos. So now let's talk about bills. I pay, my rent here is 8 million VND. That is equivalent to around $350, $351 at the time of making this video. And the water bill, my water bill here, I've never paid more than $3 for water bill. And of course, it depends on how much you use. And then the light bill, internet management fee, and all those stuff. Every month I pay around $40, $40 to $50. Actually, it depends on how much electricity I use in a month. But the management fee is around 450,000 VND. That's around $9 or $10. So yeah, this is how much I pay to live here. And please note that the video, everywhere you watched in this video, I can visit those places for free because I'm a resident in this apartment. So yeah, this is how much I pay to live here. Once again, my name is David Wilson. If you enjoyed this video, or if you think this video is informative, kindly like and then subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And then please click the notification button so that whenever I upload any new content, you'll be notified. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.